Hi, this is Julie Jones. I'm from SAC Women Heart, and we're going to do a workshop today. And this is something I feel that's important, and that's something that we should talk about. It starts at 10. This starts at 10, and we're going to discuss the topic of heart disease in women and the signs. Right off the bat, when a woman experiences a heart attack, the face is drooping, the arm is weak, there's speech difficulty, and it's time to call 911. Has anyone ever felt this? Has anyone been through this? Oh, that's great, thank you. Has anyone else been through this? Okay, thank you. The reason why I'm a big proponent of knowing all the signs is because my mom had an issue with this, and she had some other symptoms, and symptoms from a regular heart attack are different from men and from women. In a woman's body, the heart attack can cause heart indigestion, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, shortness of breath. There is a sharp pain in the heart, in the angina, pain in the neck, jaw, throat, and upper abdomen and back. With a heart attack, there's chest pain, discomfort, upper back or neck pain, indigestion, heartburn, nausea, vomiting, extreme fatigue, upper body discomfort, and shortness of breath. And there's also feelings of palpitations that are much tougher to deal with. It's like fluttering feelings. With heart failure, there's shortness of breath, fatigue, swelling in feet, ankles, legs, and abdomen. Also, some other things that women might feel are lightheadedness. There's also pain, discomfort, and numbness with the arms, back, jaw, neck, and definitely between the shoulders. And then with the chest, you have pain, pressure, fullness, squeezing that comes and goes. My mom was saying when she was going through her heart attack, and what she found out from her doctor is that heart attacks are different for each woman, like labor. She was taking a lot of Tums, but she was having little mini heart attacks, but it wasn't quite the heart attack that has been happening so far. But I always think of it when you are having a heart attack, that each person is different, so each of the signs might be different. And also with the lungs, trouble breathing. My mom was breathing just fine. She did have the upset stomach. She didn't always throw up, but she was taking lots of Tums. Also, some other signs are you feel very tired, some days for weeks or days before a heart attack occurs. Women may also have heartburn, so that's exactly what my mom had. She had a heartburn. I don't think she had a cough or heart flutters or lose her appetite, but that's what happened with my mom. She had some of those signs. So I looked into Sac County to find out what was going on by the different races. So heart disease is the #1 in Sacramento County. And heart disease for white people, cancer, 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 heart disease, and cancer. And between the different races, the 3 main things that happen within the Sacramento County is heart disease, heart disease, heart disease, heart disease, heart disease, and heart disease. There's cancer mixed in too, but between the different races of white, black, Asian, mixed race, between the different races, heart disease is a big issue. And that's why it's important to know the signs. Ways to prevent heart attacks. Definitely no smoking. Smoking is a big proponent and can help increase the chances of having a heart attack. Exercising and moving. That's another way to help prevent a heart attack. The more you're active, the more you're walking, the more that a person is ready to can help stop those heart attacks. Definitely skip the soda. The soda is very, if you drink a lot of soda, it builds up. So your body needs not to have soda. A person also needs to relax. So who here likes to relax? What do you guys like to do for fun? And most importantly, you should see a doctor, because a doctor can help you, let you know whether or not you are having those issues or if a heart attack is imminent. I want to thank you guys all for coming to SAC Women Heart. We're a new business, a new nonprofit, and we're all about informing and letting people know about heart attacks and how they can be stopped. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can definitely stay after and talk. And thank you so much. Bye.